Hello my lovelies, how are you doing today? This is Courtney Jasmine of Just Jasmine Makeup, and we're doing an everyday glowy makeup look today. So right now I'm using the Farsali Unicorn Essence as a primer on my skin, followed by the NYX Born to Glow foundation in 10.5 medium buff. I love this foundation because the more you work with it and the more you warm it up in your hand, the more dewy and radiant it gets, so definitely give that little hack a try. Next, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard for under my eyes and to spot conceal a few blemishes. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in dark brown follows for my brows because it's very bulletproof almost, and it definitely does the trick. You can make really thick brows, as you can see I favor, or you can make really natural brows. The Nars Soft Matte Concealer in Ginger is what follows, and then the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in medium deep and the Too Faced Custom Blend bronzer I use on my shadowy places, the contour places on my face, to snatch those cheekbones. So next is the Tarte blush in Paaarty, and I'm using that all over my cheek, nose, and chin for a little bit of extra color. Then I'm using the NYX High Glass finishing powder in medium on the high planes of my face and under my contour, just to give a little bit of extra glow and sheen. Speaking of glow, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette in the 2 shades indicated, all over my usual highlighting spots, just for that extra little glow. It's a really chunky highlighter, but it's amazing. So I'm using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion on my eyes because the stuff does not move. And then the Viseart eyeshadow follows with various shadows depotted from their palettes, from the Edit and Petit Pro palettes actually. The Warm and Apricot, I believe, is the specific palettes that I used. So I love the Viseart shadows. These ones, the Petit Pros, are very affordable for the price or for the size that you get. But anyway, I'll talk more about that later. The NYX Loveless Disco Epic Ink in Black is what follows. And as you can see, I messed up a little bit, which happens. So now I'm using a little bit of the Urban Decay primer on a cotton swab to fix it. I'm just taking a little bit off and then applying it onto my eye and going over it with shadow. And then I'm using the NYX Lash Couture lashes in Low Black Dress with a little bit of Kiss Strip lash adhesive. I like the one with the golden lid. And then after that, I'll be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer and Mascara, which is a great dupe for a big fluffy volumizing mascara. The two of them, when I get them on sale together, are usually about $15, so very affordable. Now I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Coffee and the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline, and there you have it. That is the whole look. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you have a great day. Love you. Bye.